Welcome to Mutat Decode. Hello, class! Welcome to the Orbital Lab! Spark, initialize the stellar simulation protocol. Today, we unravel the dance of light and shadow. Behold our home, the blue marble. Spinning in the vast emptiness of space. Look at the detail. Spark, enhance resolution. This imaginary line is the axis. It runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. And it spins once every 24 hours. This rotation is why we have day and night. Smooth, constant, perfect momentum. Spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. Let there be light. Enter the sun. Facing the sun. Day. Time to wake up. The sun illuminates half the planet at once. Shh. Facing away. Night. Time to sleep. Cities glowing like stars on the ground. Day, night, day, night. The rhythm of life. Now, let's think bigger. Scale down. Spark, give me the whole solar system room. The star of our show, the sun. It's not a perfect circle, it's an ellipse. An oval path, perihelion and aphelion. Place the Earth right here. An orbit, a journey of 365 days. One revolution equals 1 year. Here is the secret key, the tilt. Earth doesn't stand up straight. It leans. Notice, it always points to the North Star. Fixed in space no matter where it orbits. Stop! Position 1. June solstice. The north is bowing to the sun. Direct heat. Concentrated energy means hotter days. It is summer in the north. Life explodes. Long days, short nights, and sunshine. Moving on. 3 months later, September. The tilt is sideways to the sun now. Equinox. Equal night. Autumn falls. The earth begins to cool down. Position 3, December, the lean away. The north turns its back on the sun. Brr! Indirect light, weak energy, winter. Snow, ice, and long dark nights. March, coming back around. The cycle prepares to restart. Spring equinox, the awakening. The ice melts, the world turns green. And round we go! Year after year, a cosmic clock. We are travelers on a spaceship called Earth. All that vastness right in our pocket. Physics, geometry, life. Simulation complete. But wait, one more thing. Sometimes the moon gets in the way. A solar eclipse, the shadow of the moon. And sometimes Earth blocks the sun. A lunar eclipse. We are part of something much bigger, Spark. The Milky Way, home to 100 billion stars. Size doesn't matter. Curiosity does. Look at that thin blue line. That bubble is the only thing keeping us alive. Dynamic weather, clouds, rain, life. Beautiful, isn't it? No hologram can match this. The human constellation, we light up the dark. Every sunrise is a new experiment. chance to learn, to explore. Thank you for flying with Mutat Airlines.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!